Are you being annoyed by the setup exe library DLL error causing system instability? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic steps to fix your execution path. As we look at the manual steps for setup exe library, there is also a diagnostic resource for reviewing your overall system health. This is the setup exe library, frequently associated with the user interface modules of software installers. It manages the rendering of custom install dialogs and localized resource registration. If this file is missing, the setup wizard will crash or display an extraction failed error, preventing the software from being installed or updated on the system. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. If your software is failing because of setup exe library DLL, the internal file mapping for localized setup orchestration shim is likely corrupted, so reinstalling the current version of your program, showing the error, will re-register the library and fix the error. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the setup exe library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Next, we'll move beyond the basics. If your screen hasn't changed after the restart, follow me to step 3. If you need to pause the video while your folders load, don't hesitate. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. Keep in mind that setup exe library DLL must be properly synchronized with the Windows registry. Simply dragging and dropping a file rarely addresses the root cause of the initialization failure. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. If you're managing system alerts or background maintenance tasks, the resource below offers general guidance related to setup exe library. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for setup exe library today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support